Great. What's happening, man? These cute little idiots also brighten your mood, huh? The everyday life of Mumbai or any city for that matter. Yes guys, this is another day with my new mirror and yeah, उद्घाटन भी हो चुका है हमारे new mirror का with this nice and sweet bird poop. I don't know, I genuinely don't know why do I say nice and sweet bird poop. That just comes involuntarily, man. I don't intend on saying it. It just comes. And yeah, it's twinning. I don't know what games were these guys playing with my mirrors, man. Like they're playing dart or what? Aiming game. Whoever shoots right in the center wins. Like right at the middle, right at the center on both the mirrors. What can be the odds? Like if you want to facing this way, at least in your, I mean, you get the logistics, right? Your that thing will go on the other side. That is more convenient for you and me. But then again, that will come on my brake lever, I guess. No, it'll come till here, right? And then it will fall down between the brake and the accelerator. So yeah, guys, if you want to sit, then sit facing this way and then do your thing. You understand, birds? Any birds watching my video?
तू इसके साथ मत घूम रे, तू पागल हो जाएगा.
Look at my assumptions, man. What have I done to myself? I should stop drinking coffee in the morning. कहाँ का इंडिकेटर दिया है और कहाँ चला रहे हैं भाई साहब? अरे make up your mind, dude. I'm pretty sure you're on your phone. You either die a hero or live long enough to become the villain. I've so gotten used to turning my head behind. Dude, what the f was that? Why is she screaming like that? Dude, that was not a good thing to look at, man. She's probably going through a very, very tough time. I don't know, man. That somehow just ruined my mood, dude. I'm not blaming her for that. But I mean, it doesn't feel good to see someone suffering, right? She's probably going through something really stressful emotionally. That's why she just lost her. She was crying, that's for sure. That didn't look good. We are really wounded mentally, like with anything. Firstly, we make ourselves so vulnerable to all of this, and when the reality hits hard, that's when you can't handle it. Now this can be in context of everything. Like we are so emotionally weak now, emotionally weak and vulnerable, and we've got very thin skins now. Never mind, I need to brighten my mood up. I've got a long day ahead of me. How do I do that? Ooh, superb, right? This is a superb. Yeah, it is. Yeah, that brightens up my mood a bit. Yeah, recognizing bikes and cars brightens my mood up. See, I can do that. Bullet, Pulsar, Shine. Sorry, that was Unicorn. This is Pulsar NS200. This is Activa. Ooh, nice. Harrier. This is Auto Rickshaw. This is Bolero. This is Ciaz. This is Ace. This is i10. This is Wagoner. This is i10 again. This is Pulsar NS200 again. Activa, Innova, Activa, Grand i10. There comes Dio. No, that's not Dio. That's Grazia, I guess. No, that's Bergman. Okay, I wasted too much time recognizing that. That was Brio in red. This is Ertiga, this is Wagoner, this is Celerio, this is Ertiga again, this is Innova, Axis, Grand Item. No, this is Accent. This is Creta, this is Ciaz, this is Unicorn. See, that's how you brighten your mood. You distract yourself from the reality and you just forget about it. Sorry for blocking your way, buddy. I understand that look. I came in your way of entitlement. Even these cute little idiots also brighten your mood, huh? But yeah, recognizing the bikes and cars made me even more happy. I wish I could just name the bikes and cars and then get to ride them immediately. Then that would have been, nothing like it. फिर तो मतलब मज़े ही आ जाते हैं. I can't do that right now, but you can. You know how? Thanks to the video sponsor, Auto Capital. Oh, you didn't see that coming, didn't you?
This is business.
Now I've reached my work, so I'll join you guys later. Meanwhile, editor Anurag can tell you more about Auto Capital. Editor Anurag, please do the honors. Here's Auto Capital, which helps you choose the perfect bike of your choice. We can book unlimited test rides on their platform that are completely free of cost just by sitting on our couch. We can then compare different bikes and choose which one suits our likes and preferences. All you need to do is enter your location, select the bike of your choice, enter your details and the model that you need to test ride, and voila. This is how simple it is. You can literally take one bike per day to test ride and their employees will deliver the bike to your address. You don't even need to get out of your homes in this pandemic situation. Besides that, Auto Capital also provides loans for your bikes that have a much lower EMI than other finance options in the market. You get instant approvals within 30 minutes and no hassle. Auto Capital is planning to expand in other cities soon. If you're in Bangalore, Chennai and Hyderabad, you can download the Auto Capital app and book your test ride right now. Yep, that's the way to dispose of your garbage. Just take it away from your site. And it's disappeared. It just disappeared into thin air. By the way, those stunts were performed by experts. Please don't try that anywhere at home. You can try that in your home, but not anywhere outside. नहीं तो मारे जाओगे एक दिन. Oh, the view. Oh, the rear view. Oh man. How have you guys motivated me to get myself the mirror? Wow. What a day. What a lovely day. Oh my god, I've just got 6 minutes. God damn it. Ooh, GT. GT is like one of the sexiest looking coupes. Beautiful. Look at those curves, man. God damn it. Oh, that chunky looking LEDs. Those exhaust pipes are for sure fake. I don't know, I guess Mercedes does that, but not really sure about the BMWs. They are vibrating, so I guess they are not fake.
भूल गया सब कुछ याद नहीं अब कुछ.
What is happening here? Is it a Fortuner or a Tata Hexa? What? Toyota Hexa? What car is this? Tata Harrier, okay. Oh, this is a Tata. That's not a Toyota. God damn it, what am I smoking? I confused Tata logo with Toyota and I didn't understand whether Tata was of Hexa was of Tata or Toyota. Damn Tata.
तूने क्या मिक्स किया है पांडुरंग?
That Fortune written on that, no? That confused the hell out of me. What happened? See, civilized, most civilized. What do you say? Accident I've seen. They're like properly coordinating with. हाँ आप काम मिलेंगे ठीक है चलेगा मैं यहाँ पे मिल जाऊँगा आपको. और ये भाई साहब यहाँ पे proper discord is really important. Without creating any ruckus, they just click pictures and that's it. ये बंद है क्या दोनों वो वाला दोनों बंद अरे what's happening man Dude, what's happening with this world man I don't know what's happening to the world. What I know is this video has come to the end and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, let me know in the comment section. Also, make sure you check out the Auto Capital website and their app. The link is in the description. If users opt for auto plans, you can save up to 35% on monthly EMI and get instant approvals within 30 minutes without any hassle thanks to the Auto Flexible Upgradation Plan. With that said, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Bonus.
Wow, Rossi goes through and pushes Stoner White. Casey won't like that one bit. Tries to take the pace, doesn't he? Has a bit more drive coming out of that corner, but Rossi, we haven't seen action like this as Rossi runs off track and pushes Stoner White. What amazing stuff here. It's Valentino Rossi and Casey Stoner duking out. They're doing so in the championship, and Stoner almost tries to go around the outside at turn 10. This is unbelievable. Rossi stood strong. Stoner in second position once more, around the outside, going up the Rahal straight. Unbelievable stuff. What amazing stuff here. It's Valentino Rossi and Casey Stoner duking out. They're doing so in the championship, and Stoner almost tries to go around the outside at turn 10. This is unbelievable stuff.
I saw that coming. Come on, give me some more drama. Take your helmets off. यार ड्रामा नहीं मिल रहा आजकल. I don't want to be a part of any drama though. I can shoot someone else doing that, but no.
हिपोक्रेसी की भी सीमा होती है.
So please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please sarapakarai.